Hi loving souls, welcome back to Jendely's Lane. On this channel I cover beauty, lifestyle, perceptions, spirituality, manifestation, product reviews. Thank you. Fashion and so on. So hit that subscribe button for more content. Oh wow, thank you. I love these Dossier perfumes so much. I told you guys that I was gonna come on here and show you guys which one I ended up using the most of, and the truth is I used all of them interchangeably. Like I'll spray about 2 different smells on me, but I ended up using Floral Jasmine a lot. I used about that much. I'll show you here, that much. That's how much I used. This portion of the video is sponsored by Dossier. If you don't know what Dossier is, Dossier creates luxury scents at an affordable price, and they're cruelty free. Their prices range from I think $30 and up, nothing in the hundreds whatsoever. And yeah, thank you so much Dossier for sending me these beautiful lovely scents. And I usually put one in my Marco Course bag and take it everywhere with me, just in case when I need it. But yeah, check in the description box below to check on Dossier's website and see if there's anything there that you would like. So I was in there, and what happened was I wanted a cup of coffee, like the same coffee I had the other day. And I said chai, so they made me chai. And I showed him after they made the coffee. I was like, that doesn't look like it. So I showed him the picture of what they made for me the day before, and he made it. That's how I ended up with 2 cups of coffee. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this little store, and then I'll let these people go first. Hello. Hey. Alright, so you've seen my outfit. I don't have any makeup on today. I just put on some lipstick, but everything looks fine. I am downtown right now.